Today, I'll demonstrate using the Srizfly simulator for pesticide spraying in wheat fields. Begin by clicking Pre-Flight. Then select the model. There are two models available, T30 and T60. Then select the model. Press Enter to switch to first-person view. Follow the highlighted prompts to add a work zone. Next, the pesticide preparation. We can dispense pesticide according to the ratio indicated on the left. Click the Apply button. The correct dosage will be shown here. Safety first when spraying pesticides. Next is personal protection. Wear overall and respirator. Then gloves. And boots. Click the Confirm button. Now we are done with pre-flight preparations. Then, we'll demonstrate the second part, manual flight. Let's choose the T30 model. Press the Enter key to switch perspective. Select the manual flight. Click here to view the pesticide settings. Click here to lock the heading. To unlock the heading, simply turn it off. We can switch directions with one click. Press the P key to start spraying pesticides. Press the Enter key to switch perspectives. And click the End button to finish spraying. Finally, we can review the training records. Let's practice a B-point flight for pesticide spraying. Select the drone model. Press Enter to switch views. Set the flight route. At the spraying range. Configure the pesticide amount. We can see task prompts here. Press Enter to switch views. Take off with the remote control. Set A and B points after takeoff. Fly to point A and align above it. Press Y to tilt the gimbal down. Aim the nose towards point B. Click on near point. And click on the angle icon. Rotate to determine its orientation. Fly to point B and mark its position. Click on B point angle. Start spraying. Click to close. A B point flight task is not complete.